How do I connect my Bluetooth headphones to my Roku TV?
Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Roku TV. This can be extremely useful, especially when you want to watch your favorite shows without disturbing others. So let's dive right into the steps.
Check your Roku TV and headphones compatibility.
First things first, you need to make sure that your Roku TV and Bluetooth headphones are compatible. Roku TV models with model number 5000X and above support Bluetooth devices. You can check the model number at the back of your TV or through the settings. As for the headphones, they should support Bluetooth 4.0 or later.
Preparing your Bluetooth headphones.
The next step is to prepare your Bluetooth headphones for pairing. This usually involves switching them into pairing or discoverable mode. Most headphones go into this mode when you hold down the power button for a few seconds, but the exact method can vary, so be sure to check your headphones instruction manual for specific instructions.
Connecting the headphones to your Roku TV.
Now comes the main part, connecting the headphones to the Roku TV. Here's how. 1. On your Roku TV, go to the Home menu by pressing the Home button on your remote. 2. Scroll up or down and select Settings. 3. In the Settings menu, select Remotes and Devices. 4. Now, select Pair New Device. 5. Finally, select Headphones. Your TV will now start searching for Bluetooth devices. Once your Roku TV discovers your headphones, it will display them on the screen. Select your headphones to pair them with your TV.
Enjoy your viewing experience.
That's it. You're all set. You can now enjoy your favorite shows or movies on your Roku TV with your Bluetooth headphones. Remember, the audio will continue to play through your headphones until they are disconnected or turned off. Thanks for joining me in this guide to connecting Bluetooth headphones to your Roku TV. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now all set for a private, immersive viewing experience. Remember, technology is your friend. With just a few steps, you can greatly enhance your daily life. Happy viewing!